All right, so if you know how to model an equation, then you'll know how to answer a question like this, like a linear equation word problem. And this in particular is going to be what's called a piecewise problem, where there's going to be a different slope based on certain conditions. So it says for groups of 25 or more people, a museum charges $21 per person for the first 25. So they're paying $21 and then $14 for each additional person. Which function gives the total charge in dollars for a group with n people where n is greater than 25? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually think about this as, okay, what about where n is 25? And what about where n is 26? And n is going to be pretty much our x variable in this situation. So we know it's $14 for each additional person, which means that I'm going to have y equal to 14. That would be my slope. So that eliminates c, n plus b. And I want to find my b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think, all right, well, they're paying $21 for 25 people. But here, I want to multiply by 14. Actually, even easier, I want to take that last number here and add 14 to it, because that's going to be one more person, which is 26. So first off, let's see what it is. 21 times 25. Okay, so that's 525. So if I was to make a table of this, it would be 25 and 525. And then it would also be 26. 525 plus 14 is 539. I hit the linear regression model and I get 14x plus 175, which is going to be A. Now notice that B, that 175 is my starting amount, my fixed cost in this case. And my fixed cost is $175 in that instance.